everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are heading over to Kohl's and I'm going to film a Christmas shop with me in haul. So after we get back from shopping, I'm going to share with you the things that I picked up. I was so incredibly shocked when I walked into Kohl's today. I was expecting to have to walk to the back of the store to find all their Christmas decor, but was pleasantly surprised as I walked through the front doors. It was immediately Christmas heaven. They had so much Christmas decor. Right when you first walked in, it was just like all my dreams came true. I was really impressed with a lot of the items that they have to offer this year, and the selection is pretty insane. You guys will see in the shop with me. As always, I will try to link as much as I can in the description below, so if you see something you like in today's video, make sure to check down there. Now, if you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on my other social media accounts like Instagram and TikTok. The link will also be down below. If you guys do have any requests for Christmas content, please make sure to let me know below. If you'd like me to go and film a shop with me at any other stores, I would love to do that. Any Christmas content you would like to see, make sure to request below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for being here for today's video, and let's go ahead and get to shopping. Getting right into the shop with me, I'm going to start with this section. I absolutely loved this gingerbread cookie jar. I love gingerbread. I've mentioned this in a few of my previous videos. They're very trendy for the Christmas season this year. I also really liked these hobnail green glasses. They also had these little dipping bowls that had 3 different designs on them. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I have linked everything that I can for you in the description box down below. This took me so much time to go through and link every single item, so I hope that it's helpful to you guys when you are shopping and you see something you like. This rolling pin was super fun as well. It came with a little gingerbread man cookie cutter, so you can make some cookies with it. Everything at Kohl's was 20% off when I went, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you are military, they do have a discount on Mondays for 15% off. This Christmas tree wood cutting board would be perfect for hosting. It comes with a cheese knife as well. They had such a great selection of mugs. They had this gingerbread man, and then they have a smaller one as well coming up here shortly. This mug that I'm showing here was my absolute favorite, and I honestly might go back and grab it. You'll have to let me know if you think I should go get it or not. This was a total look for less on the Anthropology glasses that they have. I absolutely love the Anthropology glasses, but they are really expensive, so this was a great option. They also had some of their own flocked ornaments. They came with 6 of them, and I loved this neutral set right here that had a white, brown, and tan color. These accordion paper trees were really pretty. They came in 3 different colors, this tan color, a really pretty burgundy color, and also a deep green. They also had 3 different sizes, as you can see here. They were pretty affordable, especially with the 20% off, and you will see later in the video that I found some snowmen that are also really cute. These little flocked figurines that were Santas, snowmen, and they also had a little polar bear as well. I thought those were really cute, and I ended up picking one of those up as well. These vases caught my eye. I love the design on here, and they do come in 2 different sizes. For my neutral decor lovers for the holiday season, I loved these nutcrackers. They had 2 different colors on these, and they were a really great price. And then I also found this flocked deer that was really pretty. I ended up bringing this little guy home with me as well because I don't often see a darker brown flocked deer, so I thought I would go ahead and pick it up. A little bit on the pricey side in my opinion, but still trying to decide if I want to keep it or not. The selection of ceramic Christmas trees were pretty amazing here. They had so many different ones to pick from, different shapes, sizes, colors. They had some that lit up, so definitely a huge selection if you like to collect some Christmas trees. Here is the darker emerald green color of the paper accordion Christmas trees that I was sharing with you earlier. This glass Christmas tree was so beautiful. I loved the design on that. It was very heavy and good quality. I loved these light up presents. They also had this little Christmas village to the right of it, which I'm going to show you shortly, that also lit up. The presents were like a glass material, so definitely fragile, so just keep that in mind. They also had this iridescent light up nutcracker that I thought was really fun if you decorate with this kind of style. It's particularly not my favorite, but I do still find it very beautiful. They had these little Christmas present boxes. They actually open up, and you'll see when I share with you the wood stained box, I'll show you how they open up. They also had a lot of these little Christmas village houses and churches if you do like collecting those. This section was one of my absolute favorites. They have these massive bells that are very popular. They are different than I've ever seen before. The shape is definitely a little different than what you see at most stores. Again, 3 different sizes on here. I didn't pick any up because I have way too many already, but definitely a great option if you like these gold bells for Christmas. Because it's Christmas time. So here are the accordion paper style snowman I was telling you about. These came home with me because I love the color and style of them. They are held together by 2 magnets, so you can take them apart and they store really easily. At first I didn't think they had magnets, so I was very happily surprised when I saw that. Here's the stained box, and you can see how they open. I loved these gold trees as well. Definitely a very unique design. Moving over to the stocking area, I just wanted to give you guys a little look at what they had to offer. There was definitely a few of them that I loved. I like the green that I just showed you, and then the 2 last ornaments that I'm going to show you here shortly. Right here, I absolutely loved as well. I love the color and the faux fur on them. They also had some great tree skirts. These are really soft and good material. 'Cause it's Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. They did also have some greenery stems that I really liked that I wanted to share with you as well. I have never shopped at Kohls for greenery stems, so I thought I would go ahead and include them in this video. They had a lot of faux Christmas trees as well. I want to go back for this wreath because the price was not only great, but I loved the quality of it as well for my front door. I thought this little arrangement was fun to hang around your house, definitely something unique that you don't see at every store. These gold bells would be so pretty outside on your front porch. I loved that there was 2 different sizes and the velvet red bow on them. And the last 2 things that I'm sharing are these battery-powered little candles that look like trees. I ended up picking these up as well. And the last thing is this little grouping of gold bells that I also really loved. Now to go back home and share with you what I got. Now that we have finished the shop with me portion of the video, I'm going to go through and share with you the things that I picked up. Starting with these really pretty accordion style snowmans. These were $12.99 for the larger one. The smaller one was $6.99 and they were 20% off. So Kohls had all of their decor for Christmas at 20% off right now. So this is what the large one looks like, and then it has the little baby. I love the neutral beige color. As you guys know, I'm a huge neutral home decor lover at heart, and that does not change for the holidays. I still like to keep it very neutral here in our home, so when I saw these 2, I knew that I had to bring them home. The price on them was so good as well. If you guys are military or military spouses, they also offer a military discount on Mondays, which I didn't know about. It just so happened to be Monday today when I went, so I got an extra 15% off the 20% that all of their Christmas decor was. Next up, I found this adorable little flocked snowman. This was $4.99, 20% off, and then the 15 on top of that. It is so small, but I saw this little guy and I knew that I had to have him. He would be an adorable little accent to put on top of a coffee table book or something like that. They had a couple other figurines of this same flocked material. They had a Santa and I believe a reindeer you guys saw in the shop with me, but they also had colored ones. I just liked how neutral this little guy was. He reminds me of a tiny, tiny little version of the Pottery Barn terracotta snowmans that I want. Most likely won't get them because they're like $80 and they won't be here until mid-November. So I went ahead and compromised and got this little guy. Now this next piece, I still don't know if the price was worth it. I actually didn't even look at the price before I checked out. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it, but you guys will have to let me know in the comments below. I didn't see another one or any other style in this item, but I really do love it, especially with my neutral color scheme that I do for the holiday season. So this was $29.99, again 20% off with the 15 from military. So it is this velvet or flocked deer. It's in the most stunning brown color and it is laying down. I just thought this would be absolutely beautiful. Whether you style it on a console table, coffee table, or even in an arched cabinet, you really can't go wrong. So you'll have to let me know, should I keep this? Let me know in the comments below what you would do and if you think it would fit in our home decor for the Christmas season. The last thing that I picked up from Kohls are these LED taper candles. I've seen a ton of people post about these. They have them on Amazon, but when I saw them here, I thought, why not get them? The price of $14.99 plus all the discounts was a pretty affordable price in my opinion, but this is what those look like. They are just green and they do have a touch of white to look like there's some snow on there. I have not tried these yet, but I am going to try them on some of my taper candle holders, see how they look. If I do like them, I will keep them. I thought these would just be a fun little touch when decorating either our arched cabinet or our console table where I like to style taper candles. Or now that I'm filming this, even thinking about putting them over in our bathroom. We always keep taper candles over there and they are battery powered as well. So these would be a nice little holiday touch. So that is going to complete this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will also have my other social media accounts like Instagram and TikTok linked below for you. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you have any requests for Christmas content, please make sure to let me know in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for being here for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.